Hey guys, so today I'm gonna show you how you can record your screen used by a lot of YouTubers for free, and this program is called OBS. So OBS is a free program. You can actually go here, Google it. It's called OBS Studio. So here is the first link, OBS project. Just click on that, and then I'm gonna make it full screen. So it's available on Mac OS, Windows, and Linux, and so you guys can record for free. And this is a really powerful screen recording with a lot of customization. You can have, record part of the screen as well, and you can put copyright watermark on the video, and it also has a live stream. So let's see, if you have Windows, so you click Windows, it's gonna download it, and since I already downloaded, the latest version is 23.2.1. I'm gonna show you right now how it looks like. So as you can see like me recording the screen of recording. This is kind of like a Inception. Look at that. But let me show you. So you can start and stop recording, and you can go to settings, and then actually, it looks kind of confusing, but you're gonna see me doing this. Hold on. Okay, I'm gonna show you. So you go to hotkeys right here, and what it does is you can press the button on the keyboard, and then it will start recording the screen, and edit F9 to start recording the screen, and F10. So without me going to here and pressing to start recording and stop recording. And you also have start streaming, stop streaming, and you can have other customization, show or hide my name, and then mute the microphone, or push to mute, push to talk, and you can do that within the settings. What I would do also is I'm gonna add, I'm gonna add my name right here. So you can add different sources. So sources, you can have audio input, audio output, browser, color source. So while you're recording, you can add these things at the same time, where you can have like a watermark image on your screen right here while you're recording, so you don't have to go back and edit in Premiere Pro or another editing software. And you can put so what I did is I did a watermark, and you can slide the watermark up and down where you want it to be displayed. So what I want it to be displayed is right here at the bottom left of the screen, and at display capture. See, if I turn it off, it just doesn't show anything. So I'm going to show you other input. You can put scene, add existing scene. No, we're going to go to audio input capture. I'm going to go to image. Just to show you guys, I'm gonna put this. So you can see you can have your background right here, and you can reorder those. So we want that to be behind the image. If it's in the front, it's gonna block the Panya text. So you can have your channel here, right? Disable, enable it. And so here is the audio mixer. You can boost your audio right here. Desktop audio, and then this is the microphone right here. As you can see, you can customize this. There's a lot of properties, and this is a free recording software that you can do and that you can use. Let me show you. So it's recording right now. I'm recording with that, and to stop recording you can press the F10 button on the keyboard that I set up earlier, or you can press the right here, stop recording. So one cool thing with this is that you can actually make the recording of the area smaller by dragging this, right? And you can have, you know, something else, another screen right here on the right side, or on the bottom you can have different things. So you can add more sources. For example, I have an image right here. You can have your own image right here, or you can have your webcam right here. I'm gonna do, you know, let's see, webcam, video capture device. I'm gonna show you this. So like this, you do, to add the webcam, you do plus, display capture. Okay. Oh no, that's not it. The webcam is called video capture. And right here I'm using my webcam. As you can see, you can configure the video using the webcam software. You can do exporter. Right here, you can turn like that. And there's more settings right here that you can play with. But right here, you can drag this and put it here. Paul, that's my name. I want it to be like that. I can't even change the font. A font color. Like this. You can change the font right here. There's a lot of customization. Line, outline, you can do an outline as well. Make it bigger. Okay. Like this. Make my webcam bigger. You can even make the capture bigger like this. Oops. And then move my right here like that. So it's kind of cool. It's actually good for live streaming. And let me show you the scene. So right now I'm on scene 1. I can do scene 2. So you can specify the scene transition here to cut, let's see, like that, where it cuts, or it fades. And the sources for scene 2, you have to specify. You don't have any sources, click the plus button below, or right click to add one. You can right click, add. You can do you know, display capture for another desktop. I mean, like a different view of the desktop if you have 2 views, or you can do display capture. You can do the browser, right? You can do the browser. Just added a browser. For example, you do let's say google.com. It's gonna show here like that. And so you can like move from scene 1 to scene 2 like this, so you don't have to actually try to move the windows within, you know, what you're recording. So you can switch. If you, for example, you're doing a tutorial, you can actually, you know, just go like this and then, you know, go to scene 2 and then still add your video capture device right here. Okay, it doesn't show mine. Let's see. Oh, because it's already in use on the other one, so that's why. If I deactivate it right here, let's see, and then will it show up here? And activate it because it's already in use. That's why. You can do other things and play around with this. Let's do green like this on the back. I'm gonna move that down. Yeah, you can play around with this. Game capture. You can do game capture as well. Capture in a full screen application. That's pretty neat, right? For display capture, you can do capture cursor or not capture the cursor. So one fun thing you can do with this is that, you know, you can right click and then it has a bunch of options where you can go and then play with it to whatever you like. So this software is free, and then it's really powerful, like in a way like you can do streaming for YouTube and video for YouTube's tutorials and so on. Like rotate 90 degree. Let's do rotate. You can do stuff like this. Wow. See, pretty easily. You can do flip horizontal, and then it will be like this. So hey guys, I just wanted to show you the other really cool feature on OBS video screen recording. Here is that you can, if you don't want to record the whole screen, what you do is you click on the whole screen right here on the OBS studio, then move over on the edge. For example, if I want only to record the region of the map right here, or just this part on the right side of the screen, what you do is you hold Alt, the Alt key on your keyboard, then click on your mouse, hold it on the edge, and then drag it. That's how it works, like this. And so it's recording just you know, the region that you want. And for example, if I just want the top part right here, whatever I do on the top right here, it's gonna record, and whatever is not in that region, it's gonna be not on the screen. So just hold Alt, right, and it's gonna record like that. And if you want to make it bigger, just, you know, you can always you know, drag it, make it bigger like this, and zoom it like that, which is a really neat feature for you know, recording your screen right here. And OBS is really free. It's like, you know, professional tool and easy to use. So if you guys want to, you know, record your screen or do like tutorials or like gaming, it's gonna record fine on here. You can go to settings, and there's a bunch of options right here where you do output. You can have you know, select your audio bitrate right here, and the advanced key is really neat. That's the resolution. Okay guys, so I wanted to show you guys where all the video screen recording files are saved to. So what you do is you go to settings on OBS, you go to output, then recording path is where it's saved to. So for me is in the video right here. So those are the videos that been screen recorded and saved each time. All you need is to combine them together in a video editing software like Premiere Pro or iMovie, and just add edit like usual, and you can have like your gaming or like your tutorials here. Pretty easy, right? And so that's how you find your files. Let me play one of them. So hey guys, I just wanted to show you the other really cool feature on OBS. Professional. Well, move over on the edge, for example. If so, the quality is pretty really neat and high definition. So that's how you find your files. Alright guys, so this is how you record in game with this OBS Studio program. So you can just put this and then even live stream it if you wanted to. Okay, I went here, so probably it's a bad spot to come because all my teammates are up there. That's how you record your in-game play right here. So I think they're up there, so probably I'm gonna go up there. And see them. I'm gonna be by myself. So where they are, I don't know. They were here earlier. Oh. That's how you... I think they went down there. Okay. I'm gonna go down there just to see. All my teammates left. Alright guys, so if you guys found this video useful, and if you're looking for free software to record your screen, then this is it. OBS Studio on Windows, Mac, and on Linux. And see you guys on the next video for more tips and helpful videos. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and thank you so much you guys for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.